Hi there, welcome again to my channel. Today our topic is about English 4 Quarter 2 Module 3 entitled Important Story Elements. Now in your module, learners are going to do these activities. Number 1, identify the story elements. And these elements are setting, character, and plot. When I say setting, ito yung lugar na pinangyarihan ng kwento. And then the character, ito naman yung mga tauhan sa kwento. Pwede itong maging tao, pwedeng hayop. And then plot, ito naman yung pangyayari o yung arrangement o ayos ng pangyayari. Number 2, we are going to identify also the elements of a literary text read. And then, write a short story using the story elements. Gagawa rin kayo ng inyong kwento gamit ang story elements. Alright, in your module under What I Know, you are going to try this. You are going to insert the letter of the correct answer. This is in order to test your background knowledge para malaman ang inyong dating nalalaman. Alright. Number 1. The blank are the people or animals in the story. A. Setting. B. Characters. And C. Plot. The correct answer is characters. Number 2. The blank talks about the place and the time that the events in the story happen. A. Setting. B. Plot. C. Character. The correct answer is A. Setting. Number 3. The blank is made up of the events that happened in the story. A. Plot. B. Character. C. Setting. The correct answer is A. Plot. Number 4. The first part of a plot is the blank. A. End. B. Middle. C. Beginning. Of course, the correct answer is beginning. This is the first part of the plot. Unang bahagi ng pangyayari. Okay. Number 5. After the middle of the plot is the blank. Okay. A. End. B. Middle. C. Beginning. The correct answer is end. Katapusan. Now, again in your module under What is In. You have read the story below from your previous module. Now you are going to read it again and answer the questions below. Write your answer on the space provided. 2 pupils receive awards. Ana Gonzaga and Grace Ramos, both grade 4 pupils of Tandang Sora Elementary School, were awarded gold medalists for their honesty during the celebration of Buwan ng Wika. The said pupils returned a bag containing 10,000 pesos, a cell phone, and other valuable items to the principal's office. The bag, owned by an American tourist, Golda Prince, was left at the canteen when her group visited the school. The children found the bag and immediately brought it to the principal to help them find the owner. Miss Prince was very happy that her bag was returned and praised the children for their honesty. Now, question number 1. Who are the characters in the story? Sino ang mga tauhan sa kwento? Answer, Ana Gonzaga, Grace Ramos, Golda Prince, and the principal. Number 2. Why did the 2 pupils receive an award? Bakit nakatanggap ang dalawang mag-aaral ng award? Okay. Answer, they returned the lost bag. Isinauli nila ang nawawalang bag. Okay, number 3. Where did the story happen? Saan nangyari ang kwento? Okay. The story happened at school. Next. Under what's new in your module? Read the story and answer the questions below. Babasahin niyo ang kwento at pagkatapos sasagutin niyo ang mga tanong sa ibaba. Write your answer on the space provided. Buddy and the cat. Little Buddy Cockroach is a house bug. Mother Bug always tells him to stay in the dark places and hide. He listens to her with half an ear, not really believing in what she says. How could they not like me? I have beautiful, shiny wings and long antenna. Surely they would love me, he thought. Then Buddy saw a black cat and said, I will show Mother Cockroach that she is wrong. But when the cat saw him, it immediately jumped and started running after him with its sharp claws. Buddy ran as fast as he could to the dark place under the cabinet and never ever came out. Question number 1. Where did the story happen? Saan nangyari ang kwento? Describe. Answer. Under the cabinet. It is a dark place. Number 2. What do you call this part of the story? Ano ang tawag sa bahaging ito ng kwento? Okay, answer. It is called setting. Remember, setting is the place where the story happened. Ang setting ay ang lugar na pinangyarihan ng kwento. Okay, number 3. Do all stories need a setting? Why? Kailangan ba ng kwento ang setting? Bakit? Alright, answer? Yes, so that the reader can imagine and understand the story more. Para maintindihan at ma-imagine ng mabasa ang kwento. Okay, number 4. Who are the characters of the story? Sino yung mga tauhan sa kwento? Answer? Buddy Cockroach, Mother Bug, and Black Cat. Number 5. What do you call the persons or animals in the story? Ano ang tawag doon sa mga tao o hayop sa kwento? Okay, answer? Characters. Ang characters ay ang mga tauhan sa kwento. Okay, number 6. What did the Mother Bug want? How did they solve their problem? Answer. Mother Bug wants that Buddy will just hide. Ang gusto ni Mother Bug ay magtago lang si Buddy. Buddy follows its mother's instructions. Sinunod ni Buddy ang utos ng kanyang ina. And then Buddy learns his lesson and always obey his mother. Natutunan ni Buddy ang kanyang leksyon at palagi na siyang nagtatago. Next, under what is it? Think. The elements of a story are setting, character, and plot. Ang mga elements daw ng kwento ay setting, character, at plot. Pag sinabing setting, ito yung lugar ng pangyayari, character, mga tauhan ng kwento, at plot naman, ito yung mismong pangyayari. Yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng pangyayari, ito yung tinatawag nating plot. Alright. Next, the characters are the people or animals in the story. Ang mga characters daw, ito yung mga tauhan o mga hayop na sinasabi sa kwento. Okay. Next, the setting talks about the place and the time that the events in the story happened. Ang setting daw ay nagsasabi tungkol sa lugar at panahon ng ang pangyayari ay nangyari sa kwento. Okay. Next, the plot is made up of the events that happened in the story. It consists of the beginning, the middle, and the ending. Yung plot daw ay binubuo ng mga pangyayari na nangyari sa kwento. Ito ay binubuo ng beginning, ang umpisa, middle, yung kalagitnaan, at yung ending, yung katapusan. Okay. Now, about the beginning, it gives the problem faced by the main character. Ito raw ay nagbibigay ng problema na hinaharap ng main character o ng bida. Pag sinabing main character, ito yung bida sa kwento. Next, middle o kalagitnaan. It presents the actions made by the characters to solve the problem. Ito raw ay nagpapakita ng action na ginawa ng mga tauhan para ma-solve o mabigyan ng solusyon ang problema. Alright. Next, ending. It gives the solution to the problem. Ang ending daw ay nagbibigay ng solusyon o ng kalutasan sa problema. Okay. And then what's more in your module? Based on the story, Buddy and the Cat, complete the story map. Write your answer on the space provided. Base daw dun sa kwento, Buddy and the Cat, kukumplituhin ninyo ang story map at isusulat ninyo ang inyong sagot sa blank space. Okay. Story graphic organizer. For the title, we have Buddy and the Cat. For the setting where the story happened, that is under the cabinet. Characters, we have Buddy, Mother Cockroach, and the Black Cat. Next, for the plot, under beginning. Remember, the plot is composed of beginning, middle, and ending. Now, for the beginning, we have Little Buddy Cockroach is a house bug. Ito yung umpisa ng kwento. And then for the middle, how could they not like me? I have beautiful, shiny wings and long antenna. Surely they would love me, he thought. For the ending, but when the cat saw him, it immediately jumped and started running after him with its sharp claws. Buddy ran as fast as he could to the dark place under the cabinet and never ever came out. Now, what I have learned. Read the selection entitled Pablo and the Eggs. Pet the grasshopper and his friend Pablo, the praying mantis, were playing in the garden. One day, they found some small round objects in the grass. Pablo wanted to play with them, because they looked like small balls. He was about to pick them up when Pet stopped him. Those are not playthings. They look like small eggs, Pet said. No, they are not eggs. I am going to play with these balls, Pablo insisted. He got too unprepared to throw them. Suddenly, the eggs broke and out came out little bugs. Pablo was surprised. Oh, they're alive, he said as each one ran in different directions. Pet laughed at the frightened Pablo. See, I told you. Now you are going to identify the elements of the story by filling in the graphic organizer. Write your answer on the space provided. Now, this is the story graphic organizer. For the title, we have Pablo and the Eggs. Setting is in the garden. Dito nangyayari ang kwento sa garden. Okay, characters. Sino yung mga tauhan? We have Pet the grasshopper, Pablo the praying mantis. and the little bugs. For the beginning. By the way, itong mga sagot na ito ay wala sa inyong module. Blanco yan. So, dapat ipapost ninyo ang video at kukopyahin ninyo ito para meron kayong sagot sa inyong module. Okay. Pet, the grasshopper, and his friend Pablo, the praying mantis, were playing in the garden. For the middle. No, they are not eggs. I am going to play with these balls, Pablo insisted. He got two and prepared to throw them. Ending. Suddenly, the eggs broke and out came little bugs. Pablo was surprised. Oh, they're alive, he said as each one ran in different directions. Pet laughed at the frightened Pablo. See, I told you. Think of a favorite event in your life and fill in the story chart. Mag-iisip po kayo ng paborito ninyong pangyayari sa inyong buhay. And then, fill in the story chart. Ilalagay niyo ito sa story chart. Write your answer on the space provided. Okay, here is now the story graphic organizer. Wala itong sagot sa inyong module, so para magkaroon kayong sagot, pwede ninyong kopyahin ito. Just pause the video for a while and then start copying. For the title, we have Pablo and the eggs. For a setting, in the garden. For the characters, Pet the grasshopper, Pablo the praying mantis, and little bugs. Now for the plot, under the beginning. Pet the grasshopper and his and his friend Pablo, the praying mantis, were playing in the garden. For the middle, they look like small eggs, Pet said. No, they are not eggs. I am going to play with these balls, Pablo insisted. He got two and prepared to throw them. Ending, Pablo was surprised. Oh, they're alive, he said as each one ran in different directions. Pet laughed at the frightened Pablo. See, I told you. Now under what I can do in your module. You are going now to think of a favorite event in your life and fill in the story chart. Write your answer on the space provided. Now, for the favorite event, going to the mall. Again, wala ito sa inyong module. Wala itong sagot. So, para magkaroon kayo ng sagot, just pause the video and then start copying. Now, for the characters, Fred, Ate Weng, Dad, and Mom. Setting, saan nangyari ang kwento? In the car park building. Event 1. Dad, you've been driving around the car park building for quite some time. What's the problem? Asked Fred. Event 2. There's no vacant slot here. We need to go up on the second floor. Event 3. We've already gone to the second and third floor yet. There's still no vacant slot, said Mom. We better go back and try again tomorrow. Okay, if you've learned something in this video, thank you very much for watching. See you again.